Dear students, welcome back to the second part of past tense. In my previous video, I explained you all the four tenses of past tense, their structure and example. Now in this video, I am sending you copy work and you have to do as it is shown in the copy. You have to copy down this page, you have to copy down the structure and examples as well. Then come towards the exercise. ट्रांसलेट इनटू इंग्लिश. नंबर 1, हम पाकिस्तान की सैर पर गए. वी वेंट ऑन पाकिस्तान टूर. मैंने बहुत आसानी से पर्चा हल किया. आई सॉल्व द पेपर वेरी इजीली. उसने जमात में पहली पोजीशन हासिल की. ही सिक्योर्ड फर्स्ट पोजीशन इन क्लास. नंबर 4, उसने काम मुकम्मल नहीं किया. ही डिड नॉट कंप्लीट हिज वर्क. नंबर 5, क्या उसने इम्तिहान के लिए मेहनत की. Did he work hard for exam? Question mark. Now second tense is past continuous tense. You also have to copy down these structure and example of the past continuous tense. Then come towards the exercise of past continuous tense. Translate into English. बच्चे मुकाबले के लिए मुसव्विरी कर रहे थे. The children were painting for competition. हम रेलगाड़ी में सफ़र कर रहे थे. वी वर ट्रेवलिंग बाय ट्रेन. थर में लोग भूख से मर रहे थे. पीपल वर डाइंग विथ हंगर इन थर. क्या उसकी तबीयत ख़राब हो रही थी. वॉज ही गेटिंग इल. क्वेश्चन मार्क. वो अपना वक्त ज़ाया नहीं कर रहा था. ही वॉज नॉट वेस्टिंग हिज टाइम. Now third tense is past perfect tense. You have to copy down the structure, then example I explained you before. Then come towards the exercise. Exercise for past perfect tense. वो मस्जिद जा चुका था. He had gone to the mosque. तलबा अपना सबक भूल चुके थे. Student had forgotten their lesson. क्या स्कूल का गेट बंद हो चुका था. Had the school gate closed. शिकारियों ने शेर का शिकार नहीं किया था. Hunters had not hunted the lion. नंबर 5, क्या उसने नया कलम ख़रीदा था. Had he bought new pen. Now last tense is past perfect continuous tense. Again you have to copy down these structure and example as it is shown in the video. Come towards the exercise of past perfect continuous tense. वो सुबह से टीवी देख रहा था. He had been watching TV since morning. नंबर 2, पाकिस्तान 3 साल तक क्रिकेट सीरीज़ जीतता रहा था. पाकिस्तान had been winning cricket series for 3 years. Here जीतता रहा था और 3 years, 3 साल is showing the period of time, duration of time. So we put for to show the time for 3 years. नंबर 3, बच्चे शाम से फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे. Children had been playing football since evening. Now here evening is showing the point of time, so we put since before evening. Number 4, क्या आधी रात से बारिश हो रही थी. Had it been raining since midnight. Here midnight is showing the point of time. नंबर 5, वो शाम से तुम्हारा काम नहीं कर रहा था. He had not been doing your work since evening. Again here evening is showing the point of time. Okay, I hope you all understand this tense, all the tenses of past. So you have to copy down in your copy as it is shown in the video. Copy down the structures also and examples also, and then exercises as I told it in the video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.